Buying a cheap motorcycle doesn't mean buying a bad motorcycle. Some affordable bikes are legendary for lasting well over 100,000 miles with proper maintenance. Here are 7 inexpensive motorcycles that offer incredible reliability and value. Number 7. The Kawasaki Ninja 6550. This bike features a highly reliable parallel twin engine that has been perfected over years of production. It's exceptionally comfortable for both daily commuting and longer touring trips. With affordable maintenance and excellent fuel economy, it is a very dependable choice. Number 6. The Honda Shadow 750. This is the definition of a classic cruiser. Its bulletproof V-twin engine is famous for its longevity. The simple mechanics make maintenance a breeze. It's the perfect beginner cruiser that can easily last decades if you treat it right. Number 5. The Suzuki SV650. Known for its legendary V-twin, this bike is loved by beginners and experienced riders alike. Parts are abundant and cheap, the engine is remarkably reliable, and it offers fun performance that makes every ride feel special. Number 4. The Yamaha V-Star 650. If you want a comfortable cruiser that's easy on the wallet, this is it. Because it is air-cooled and shaft-driven, it offers very low maintenance costs while maintaining a premium feel. Number 3. The Honda CB500. This machine offers excellent fuel economy and a reliable twin-cylinder engine built to handle the daily grind. It's incredibly easy to own and serves as a great daily motorcycle for those looking for efficiency and Honda's signature build quality. Number 2. The Kawasaki KLR650. An adventure legend, this bike can survive extreme conditions that would break most other machines. Its simple engine is easy to repair in the field, making it the perfect companion for long-distance travel and off-road exploration. And finally, number 1. The Honda Rebel 500. One of America's favorite beginner motorcycles for a reason. It uses a reliable Honda engine paired with modern styling. It is very inexpensive to maintain and holds a fantastic resale value. In conclusion, these 7 motorcycles prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a machine that lasts a lifetime. Which one of these legendary bikes would you buy? Tell us in the comments and subscribe to Moto Verdict for more motorcycle reviews.